Dana Cardboard Hobby. We are cracking 2022 Gold Rush Autograph Authentic Full-Size Helmet Series 2 1 box eBay break. January 29th, 2023. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. We've got Bubby 812936 SVB with the Ravens, Bills, Rams, Buccaneers, and Steelers. RC 3561 with the Cardinals. Boom 5051120 with the Chiefs and Packers. Dolphin fan with the Cowboys, Broncos, Lions, 49ers, Titans, Panthers, Colts, Raiders, Chargers, and Saints. MONACAN2 with the Redskins. RUKU-6068 with the Patriots, Browns, and Seahawks. EGBU-49 with the Eagles. NIBRAN_27 with the Jets. ACSLAX10 with the Giants. NIBRAN_27 with the Vikings. DavyBog_3 with the Dolphins. Spinners and Sports with the Jaguars. ROBCA9219 with the Texans. GILMELE-34 with the Bengals. DavyBog_3 with the Bears. And KAKINGTN with the Falcons. That is your full lineup. Okay. We've got our box right here. 2022 Gold Rush Autograph Authentic Full-Size Helmet Series 2. These Autograph Authentic Full-Size Helmets, they're absolutely amazing. They're so nice. Let's get our box open. All right. Here we go. Your autograph, authentic, full-size helmet coming at you front and center. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. We've got... Oh, my. Wow. This is beautiful. Holy cow. What an autograph authentic full-size helmet here. Holy cow. Look at this. They got so much nice weight to them, these helmets. What a helmet. Oh my. Look at that. Auto there. NFL all-time passing leader inscription. Yeah. Drew Brees for the Saints. Wow. Beckett COA back there. That is absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. That is such a gorgeous helmet. Saints owned by Dolphin fan. Congrats. How about that, Drew Brees? NFL all-time passing leader inscription with the auto. Authentic. Wow. Just wow. That is just unbelievable. What a beautiful, beautiful autograph, authentic, full-size helmet. I want to thank everybody so much for breaking, guys. Really, really do appreciate it. Cardboardhobby.com, Dugan1640 on eBay. I'll be sticking around in case anybody has any questions. Once again, we've got a beautiful lineup scheduled tomorrow night and all week long, so please don't miss out on those. Thank you so much again for your support, everybody. Please be smart, be safe out there.